So here I am on the road. Yeah, there's some road walk on this trail, of course, like any other. I'm going into the town of Gračac. On the English that means Gračac. So I stopped there on the gas station to grab a beer, and life seems better immediately. Cold beer, yeah. It's not so early. It's 11:41 and I have some buggers in my nose. Oh my god, disgusting. So yeah, I went down from Mount Velebit into this town. I've been here before, I don't know, 20 years when I did some hiking across Croatia, 500 kilometers in 12 days. So this is one of the spots I went through. And yeah, I'm going to the town of Knin. It's really hot. Now I'm trying to find this restaurant to have something nice to eat, to charge my batteries a little bit, and then I go to the highest peak of Croatia, Dinara, Signal Peak, and I hope it will be nice, and I'm sure it will be nice, but tough, that's for sure. Okay, see you later. Hey, good morning. It's a beautiful morning here on my way to the town of Knin. Really beautiful. I had some strange experiences during the night. I slept under the hill called Popova Muda. Basically, on English that means priest's testicles. To be more specific, it means Orthodox priest testicles, and it was kind of strange to sleep under Orthodox priest testicles. It wasn't warm as I was hoping to be, rather it was wet. So in the night I woke up and I figured out everything is getting wet. So what I did, I put a rubber coating on me, you know, to protect myself. And it kind of helped, and I woke up, and first thing I had to, you know, check out if I'm still dry, and thankfully I was dry, my ass was dry. The rubber protection saved me, and I was glad. So that was pretty strange experience. Everybody through hikes has or have experiences like that, you know, and you're like, whoo! I slept under Orthodox priest testicles. Woohoo! Well, that's you know, funny thing to say, but it's kind of strange. Now I'm heading towards town of Knin. It's an old town, and I will meet there my friend Igor Naj from Vinkovci. He will provide me accommodation in a fire station, and it will be free, so it's a trail magic. Thanks, Igor. I will meet there Matt Bicinius, my hiking buddy as well. He skips, he's retired from a Croatian long distance trail because of issues with his knees and his feet. So now he skips and he waits for me here and there. We meet, we drink a couple of beers, and then he goes on, I go on, and we meet somewhere else. So he waits for me just like I was waiting for him so much on this trail, and now he's, you know, doing the same thing for me. Okay, Stay tuned and see you later. Well, this is a true hiker's paradise. Look at this water. Clear, nice. Going here. Oh my god, and this is pretty dry stretch and pretty hot. This is beautiful. And look at this. Oh yeah. Water time. Ah, it's super hot. I don't feel so good. Maybe I'll throw up. I don't know. All of my water is super hot in the bottles. So, it's 100 degrees. And I feel really weak. No shade whatsoever. Hopefully I will reach some shade soon and take a little bit of rest because I don't feel so good. But you know, everything will be alright because just because. See you later. So this in front of us is Croatia's highest peak mountain called Dinara, and the highest peak is called Sinjal, 1831 meters, and I'm going there hopefully tomorrow, but you never know. There is like from this point there is I don't know, something like 47 kilometers or maybe less. Yeah, 45. And it's, as you can see, pretty big. So maybe not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, before noon, I think I can reach the top. Okay. Yeah, it looks kind of small, but actually it's pretty high. Woo!